Hey crafty friends, we have a special announcement for you today. Spring scents are in the air, as you know, and we have created a revolutionary product for the craft industry. We've seen your posts and your comments, and we are excited to share with you a 4D experience for your stamping. If you've ever wished you could smell our delectable foodie names, today is your lucky day. Introducing Stamp and Sniff, our new line of pungent pigments. We have so many delicious smelling names, and we've narrowed it down to our most iconic smells. Can you imagine it? Close your eyes, imagine your favorite Tailored Expressions ink color in a smell. What would it be? We made sure to include all of your favorites in this release, like dill pickle, Dijon, and oyster. This is Nostril Everyday product release, and it is sure to bring a smell to your face.
Woof.
You can see here I crafted this beachy card using oyster ink, and it will really transport you to the beach with its authentic low tide smell.
Oh, I love it.
Is that tuna?
No, it's oyster. With our new patented scenting system, we want to make sure each color has the full-bodied, long-lasting odor and high quality that you've come to expect from Tailored Expressions. You can use these alone to really showcase the smell or pair them together to create a feast for the senses. Once you stamp it onto your project, the stench lingers for 2 to 4 days to ensure your card slaps the nose right off your recipient's face.
Yep, it still smells.
Sure to bring a tear to their eye and a smell to their face, Stamp and Sniff is Nostril Average ink. Click the link to get yours today.
Make sure you swirl it around too so it covers the whole thing. And then stop, and then one more for good measure.
To ensure your card slaps the nose right off the face of your recipient.
The stench is so bad, woof,
Yes. I love it. You keep saying
I know. That's why my kid says it.
Stamp and Sniff, our new line of pungent pigments. Just pop your pungent pigment.
Oh, stop.
This is Nostril Everyday product release. And oyster. Yes! Yes!
And then thumbs up.